dealing rooms is saying after this 8-day run-up that we've had. Nimesh Shah joins in. Nimesh.
Hi Rima, so a strong day for the markets, and the good part is it's backed by the institutional buying. So for second day running, the feedback is there is strong buying, and I believe there is a basket buying as well at a leading FI. So that's helping the large cap names in today's trade. But the good part is outside of large cap names, there is a good amount of momentum in the mid cap and small cap as well, and the broader markets are relatively outperforming. So that's good because it actually helps the sentiment as well for retail investors. So that's where the big momentum seems to be. I guess the sector of the day is clearly pharma, without saying. Big moves on that stock, on the entire basket now. Not only it's fresh buying, but I believe some bit of aggressive short covering as well by some leading FIs. Remember, this is one sector which was hugely underowned and has underperformed as well. So a combination of buying and short covering is helping all the pharma names today, and that's the reason why they are buzzing in trade. On the flip side, there is selling pressure in the IT names. That was the feedback for the last many days, and that's been the trend today as well. Before the TCS number, some bit of softness continues in the IT name. So net a good day, largely backed by FI buying, and the good part is the momentum is back, and now the broader markets have started outperforming, and that's a good sign from a sentiment point of view.
Oh yes, it is 17,811, 8112 and counting. So really the bulls have prevailed just before the earnings season starts off. Nimesh, what about individual stocks? Anything interesting you're hearing?
So in terms of individual names, the first is a pair of two stocks, which is Tata Motors and TVS Motors and Tata Power. Both are not buzzing in trade, but the volumes are on the higher side. I believe there is strong amount of buying flows in these two stocks, and as I said, there is a basket buying. So these two stocks are part of that basket buying at a leading FI desk. So the volumes are going to be on the higher side in both the stocks. So that's the first part. The second one is Chola Investment Finance. In a good market, that stock is under pressure today, and on good volumes, I believe a leading long only fund is an active seller now. Remember, the stock is outperformed within the NBFC and is pretty much at a 50-week high. So some bit of profit booking, so to speak, in that name by leading FI, and hence that stock is under pressure today. The third stock is Max Healthcare. This is going to be interesting. A large block, nearly 1.8 crore shares change hands. I believe it's between FI to FI, but the leading long only fund was a buyer in today's block deal. So the disclosure will be important, but a very large long only fund has bought into Max Health today. And remember, there was initiating coverage as well from Motilal Oswal just few days back. So this is one stock to track going forward. And the last stock is IGL. After a few days of consolidation, again some bit of buying interest is back, so the volumes are on high side, and I believe some strong flows as well is helping IGL to rally in today's trade.
Thank you very much for that, Nimesh. That list is very helpful as always. Let's get back.